we're expected to convert 111.11 in base 2 to a number in base 10. And the technique here is expansion. So let's get into the solution. Very quickly, the expansion involves writing the number to be converted, 111.11, and of course in base 2, with exponents on it, starting from the decimal point position leftward. We have whole numbers 0, 1, and 2. And from the decimal point towards the right, we have -1, negative numbers, and -2. All right, so the expansion procedure, straight away, we're going to have each number in the bracket. So this is going to be 1, the first digit, which is 1. We multiply the original base 2, raised to the power exponent written on it, which is 2. And we continue in that manner, plus the next digit, which is 1 again, multiply by the base 2, raised to the power exponent on it, which is 1. This plus the next digit, which is 1, multiply it again by the base 2, raised to the power exponent on it, which is 0. It is raised to the power 0. Now, plus, and this other part has negative exponents. So the best way is to go dividing. Divided by the base 2, raised to the power, and now we exclude the minus because now we've divided. To by -1 is what made it 1 over here. And now we have plus the next digit, which is 1, divided by 2 to the power. The negative sign will be omitted, and we have power 2. This expansion process. Now we evaluate each unit. 2 to the power 2. To multiply itself 2 times, that's 4. 4 times 1 gives us 4. Plus 2 to the power 1, which is 2, times 1 gives us 2. Plus 2 to the power 0. According to the law of indices, any number to the power 0 is 1. And 1 times 1 gives us 1. Then plus, the best is to express this as a decimal. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So 1 over 2 is 0.5. Plus, and here 2 to the power 2 is 4. And 1 over 4 is 0.25. That's right. And by adding this together, we get our final answer. 4 plus 2 gives us 6, plus 1, 7.75. 7.75. This is now in base 10. Our final answer. Very simple. That's right. And that is actually option A, of course. Option A, the final answer. Now, the link to the full video, the full topic, the analysis of the full topic number basis is provided in the pinned comment. So by clicking the link in the pinned comment, you see the full video on number basis. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share.